Here's the Toyota RAV4 and that's the reverse light. We have to first open up the hatch. Now right over there is the access panel, and for that you will need your car key fob. Let's press over there, get the physical key out, put it right over in the little slot there, and then pry the cover out from there. Just the way I'm showing, pry it out, and once it's out a little bit, just grab it and get it out the rest of the way, set it aside, and that's the bulb holder. Just twist to the left. It may be a little bit tight, so be patient. It may take a couple seconds, but that's it. Once it's loose, it comes out. Grab the bulb, pull it out straight. The bulb number is 921. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then simply push it down back in the bulb holder to secure it. And when you're putting it back in the light, this is where you have to be patient. It may take a few seconds of twisting and turning before the bulb holder drops in. See, right now it's sticking out, but now it's good. See, it's just sitting in properly. Twist your right to lock it, and now you're done. Let's get the cover. This side with the slot, it goes here. This side with the two clips, it goes in first. Just get it in there and then press the other side down to secure it, and that's it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.